From reckless drivers causing catastrophic accidents, to ignoring traffic SS, or chaotic collisions due to out of control, trucks are all in today's video. Join us as we explore real-life traffic accidents and learn the best ways to stay safe while driving. Buckle up and let's get started. This incident, both of them were moving too hastily when the traffic light had just changed color. The driver of a luxury sports car was involved in a serious accident that split the car in two. Both were trapped until they were rescued. Oh my god, a cement truck in Taiwan crushed 8 cars going in the opposite direction. Who do you think was wrong in the situation, running a red light or a sudden swerve? The truck was going at breakneck speed and nothing could stop it from crashing into someone else. First Life Forge has faced 30 years in prison and the loss of his license after trying to run a red light.
discoverbomb.com/LeBron.
Hey, it's Eric right here.
Oh.
As we break down.
It was painful and the truck lost control and madly crashed into innocent people on the road, creating a horrific scene. Dream about buying wheels for your car and guess how they appear in real life. assistant feed driver is said to have suffered a seizure and lost control of the vehicle, which crashed into a pole, perfectly sending it flying into the air, like a bird learning to fly.
Shit, Mark's running. Shit, I just saw him. Yeah.
Stealing a car without knowing how to drive a manual transmission is a plan that fails from the start. You may make a mistake, but a polite apology and a humble gesture can make your mistakes disappear. The incident happened in South Africa when the robbers had just robbed a large amount of money and were about to escape when they were suddenly attacked by a money transport vehicle. Although both sides had guns, they still chose to defeat their opponents.
Crap, but it's still there.
What do we do about it?
Could have cleaned it.
Whoa. Call 911.
Nice, my ankle.
That's my shoulder.
Thank you for watching Big Crash Channel's videos. If you enjoyed our journey of discovery, don't miss out on what's next. Subscribe, like, and share our videos. See you soon.